In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Indeed as an employer. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using Indeed as an employer to post job vacancies and manage your business is extremely simple. All that you have to do is visit their website at Indeed.com, and you need to be signed into an account just as if you were searching for a job. So make sure that you are properly signed into your account, and you have two options to start the process. You can either go to the home screen and then click this little text here, employers post a job, your next hire is here, or you can select the option on the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen, post a job. Regardless of which option you pick, you will be redirected to the respective page. So I'm gonna go back to the home screen, and this is what you should see first. Click the option to create new at the left and then create new job or hiring event. You can then include your company's name. There will be a search function dedicated to finding specific companies that are already registered, but if you don't see your company here, that's okay. You can then answer a lot of questions regarding your company. So you have the number of employers, you can include your first and last name, and optionally a phone number on how you heard about them. For this video, I'm not going to give actual answers, so just keep that in mind. I'm only doing this for demonstration purposes, but as you can see, you will be able to proceed through the form. Now, once you are done, the job is going to appear on this little dashboard and you can manage it at any time. You can see the candidates at the left side of the screen, you can browse through the resumes, see interviews and analytics. This is all very complete, and unfortunately I don't have the means to show you all of this in this video. I apologize, but like I said, as long as you follow through here, the instructions are very straightforward and you will be able to understand how the process works. Indeed has a very good service regarding how to use it as an employer, and you will be able to change everything accordingly at any time. So just make sure that you answer this honestly. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Indeed as an employer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.